Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be making a waterfall triple single loom bracelet. So let's get started. So in this project you will need obviously a loom, a rainbow loom, a hook, and also 4 different colors of rubber bands, any color you like. So let's get started. So you want to set up your loom like this, the red arrow going down, all of them, and one of them being up over here like this. And then you want to take, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be making a waterfall triple single loom bracelet. So let's get started. So in this project you will need obviously a loom, a rainbow loom, a hook, and also 4 different colors of rubber bands, any color you like. So let's get started. So you want to set up your loom like this, the red arrow going down, all of them, and one of them being up over here like this. And then you want to take your first color, and my first color is blue. So you just put it like this, and then you keep going all the way to the end. Okay, you have to start from here, then you just keep going down. I know it's really hard for you guys to see the blue color. Okay guys, so now I'm done with my first layer. Now I'll go to the middle row, and for this row I'm choosing the color yellow. It's like a jelly rubber band. Okay guys, now I'm choosing the color green. And I have 2 different shades of green. But it's okay, you guys can do any type of colors you want. You guys could even do rainbow, like each row being rainbow, if you choose to. Now we're done with all these 3 colors. So we're just gonna put them to the side for now, because maybe later we will need it. Later we will need it just to make a little chain. You guys will see what will happen. So now what you will do is you're gonna take your next color, and my color is purple. And what you want to do is you just want to take it, your rubber band, and then at the end where it's looking like this, you're gonna put it in here, then in here, then you're gonna take this, put it over it, like making a triangle Then you're gonna move on to your next row, going like this, pulling it over that one, and making a triangle again. So you're just gonna keep doing this until you get down all the way to the end. And now I won't be doing the last one. So this is how your loom is supposed to look like. Okay, putting my last rubber band that was left away, we're gonna take our hook and we're gonna start hooking up our bands. So what you want to do is you want to go under the color, and my color is purple. I'll go under the purple, take the green and loom it out here. Now going again under the purple color, getting my green and moving on to the next hook. Now you want to keep doing this until you get all the way down to the end of the row. And you'll do the same thing in the other rows as well. So I'll just fast forward this place for you guys. And if you need help, you guys could just rewind the video and come back to where I showed you guys. Okay guys, so now I will put the rubber bands from this side into the middle, and also from the other side into the middle. I'll just move them like this to the middle, then taking the other side and moving it into this side and pushing them down a little. Okay guys, so now that I put the rubber band in it, now we will take off everything out of our loom. You can start from the bottom or from the top. I think I'll just start from the bottom. Okay. Okay guys, so this is how it looks. Okay guys, so this is how my bracelet looks. Okay guys, so now this is how my bracelet looks, and I already put a hook onto the end. Taking my hook, I'll put it onto the other side. Like this. And thanks for watching my videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more awesome videos. Goodbye.